Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Opera GX and confirming it's up to date. This ensures the wallpaper engine and extensions work. Next, enable GX extensions or the browser wallpaper setting so the UI accepts animated backgrounds. Grab your live wallpaper file, use MP4 or WebM for best compatibility, and place it in an easy folder. Once done, go to Settings Appearance to expose wallpaper controls. This moves you from preparation straight into selecting or uploading the live file. You now add the wallpaper. Open Settings, Appearance, then Wallpaper. Choose Upload to pick your MP4/WebM from disk, or link to paste a direct URL if hosted. This matters because local files reduce buffering and link sources save storage. After selecting, adjust playback options, loop for continuous motion, mute audio if present, and set quality or performance mode to balance visuals versus CPU/GPU use. Make sure to test playback briefly, so you confirm smooth motion before finish by saving your appearance settings and restarting Opera GX so the new live background persists across sessions. If playback is choppy, reduce resolution or enable performance mode to free GPU resources. This fixes most stutter issues. If the wallpaper doesn't appear, clear the browser cache, re-upload the file, or convert to WebM, which is often more compatible. Doing this resolves codec or permission problems. If problems continue, disable conflicting extensions and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.